to my channel. I'm going to be starting with eyes today, and I'm actually going to be going in with the Sugar Co by NK palette, and I'm actually going to be using the pink shade just to fill in my crease, and I'm going to be blending that out very soon with a clean fluffy brush. Guys, I was very surprised with the pigment of this palette. Actually was not expecting for this palette to be this pigmented, and it caught me by surprise. But girl, I'm really loving this pigmentate. Like, you see this pink, I'm packing it on and just blending it in. You're gonna be seeing me go back and forth. The palette was only $5 at the local beauty supply. I specifically wanted to do this tutorial for all the girls that are looking for a nice beat and more, on the budget side. So this is definitely for you, girl. Check your local beauty supply. I promise you they will have this palette. And honestly, NK Beauty has different color variations. Literally for 20 bucks, you can buy 2 or 3 palettes. What I really like about this palette is that, as you can see, I'm blending the shadows and it's not giving me no harsh look, which is something I was very scared of, but I'm very satisfied. Taking in the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Classic Ivory. I'm actually going to be using this concealer to cut my crease, as you can see. I also purchased this concealer at my local beauty supply and it only cost 3 bucks. So yeah, definitely check out your beauty supply. All of the products that I will be using in this video were all from the beauty supply girl. So to cut my crease, I really don't swipe in the concealer. I actually just use the angle of the concealer brush to guide my cut crease. Bestie, keep in mind we all have different eye shapes, so my cut crease might not look the same as your cut crease. Just keep continuing to practice and you will get it. Top tip to create a cut crease is actually just drenching your concealer brush with concealer and using the tap in method. Just tap, 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 and allow your brush to just guide you. Now I'm going to be going in with the same pink shade and just actually adding that smoky type of look. That's why I actually added my tape, just because I wanted that line to be extremely snatched, pointy, girl. Yes, sharp. And yeah, this is actually my favorite technique ever, just to get that smoked out vibe. Keep in mind that the LA Girl Pro concealers are very, very thick. And as you can see, I didn't even have to set the concealer on my eyelids. It automatically kind of dries matte. But I do like to go in with a clean fluffy brush using my translucent powder just to blend in those harsh lines. And next up, I'm going to actually be using the shimmery glitter, and oh my god, I was shook. I did not believe it was going to be this pigmented. Look at that. It's chef kiss. I'm obsessed. I'm going to be applying it with my finger just because I want to get that dramatic look. So now going in with the pink shade again, and I'm just going to be smoking that outer V because we do want to get that like smoked out vibe. And I really love how this glitter looks. And as you can see, I'm taking off the tape, and girl, I'm obsessed. Moving on to base, I'm going to be taking the LA Girl Pro Coverage Foundation, and I actually bought this at the beauty supply as well, but I've been using it for like 5 months, I believe now, and I'm just obsessed with it. It cost me like probably $10-15. I'm also going to be going in with 2 of my favorite concealer from LA Girl, and I'm going to be using Classic Ivory on the inner corner. Again, only cost me 3 bucks, okay guys? And I'm also going to be taking the Creamy Beige Concealer and just applying that on the lower part of the highlight. Actually, this is my top recommended concealer from the drugstore. I've been using this since I was in high school, and I still use it here and there. Also using the beauty sponge from the beauty supply. I think it just cost me 3 bucks, but it works just as the original beauty sponge. on to cream contour, I'm going to be taking the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Beautiful Bronze. As you can see, LA Girl literally have all types of different shades. On to setting powder. I love this so much. This is the AIRSPUN Translucent powder, and I've been using this since I was like 15. I literally go crazy about this powder, and it only is like what, $12-11 at CVS. Definitely suggest it. Now for blush, I'm going to actually be going in with a Wet n Wild blush. I'm not sure why my clip didn't show up, but this is actually a very, very nice blush. As you can see, it gives me like a rosy type of vibe, which I love. To set my makeup, I'm actually going to be going in with my homemade setting spray, and honestly guys, I live by this. I've made it at home all by myself, and it just leaves your face extremely flawless with and without makeup. Now I'm going to actually be going in with one of my favorite lashes, which is the BADDIE Lashes from the beauty supply store, and it's only $5. I literally live by these lashes. They look so fluffy and natural. Always my go-to lashes. Now for highlighter, I'm going to be going in with the Glodian highlighter kit, and this is actually a Korean brand. It goes up to like $30 or $45, but I actually purchased this one via Amazon, which only cost me $10 to $15, I believe, so definitely recommend it because, girl, I'm glowing. Going to be the NYX Cosmetics liner in the shade Dark Brown, and I'm going to be going in with their matte lipstick, and I believe this is in the shade Nude. They were also very, very affordable. The lip liner was probably like $5, and the lipstick was also like $5-6. So you can find NYX Cosmetics at any local drugstore. If you guys really enjoyed this look, and remember, I slayed this look under like $30, girl, you can too.